All right, we had the opportunity to chat with another former news photographer who's right in the path of this historic hurricane. 4029's Craig Cannon talked with him today as his island prepares for the worst.
So all places have shut down.
Romello Williams used to live in northwest Arkansas, and he worked for 4029 until last year. Now he's returned to his family's home here on the islands, and he showed us what the place looks like tonight.
Turks and Caicos isn't like Jamaica or Puerto Rico where we have lots of mountains. We don't. The highest elevation on the island that I live on is 126 feet.
Romello says the storm surge is expected to be about 15 to 20 feet. That could be deadly on this normally peaceful British territory island paradise. Are you scared?
I'm a bit worried about this one. I've been through many hurricanes in my life, but this one being the strongest in the Atlantic Basin, it is a bit worrying.
Romello should be worried. The Turks and Caicos Islands are in the direct path of this Category 5 storm, and they're expecting hurricane-force winds like this to hit tomorrow morning.
And the photos and videos I've been getting from colleagues in the different islands that it's hit already, and in those islands, they weren't getting a direct hit like we will be getting in the Turks and Caicos. We will be directly above the eye.
With more than 25,000 residents, there's only one shelter above 20 feet elevation, and it's already full. So most of these residents will be riding out the storm tomorrow in their homes.
My family, what we've done so far is we've gotten food, and it's a lot of non-perishable items. Gas stove that we use specifically for hurricanes to cook. All of our windows and some of our doors are boarded up. We put everything in our house up off of the ground.
All prepared as best they can. Now they wait for Irma. Craig Cannon, 4029 News.
Oh, we are definitely going to be thinking about Romello and his family. Now, he says that all the tourists and the expatriates have been evacuated. Now, as long as he still has phone service, he'll give us an update tomorrow night. We're going to be waiting to hear from him. And of course, his family appreciates the prayers for safekeeping.